Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox my personal favorite, which is this one, the quick chat. I don't remember now which case this came in. I think it is if I'm not wrong. So yeah, I actually didn't buy this for MRP. I bought this for 199. Honestly, I made a commitment to this guy in a shop. I am not going to tell the shop's name because they are selling more than MRP. So mistakenly, I made a commitment to him that I'm going to buy this from him. He kept it for me just to I don't know, keep up the relationship between myself and the shop. I actually bought this. So I didn't buy this for MRP from that particular shop, but this is still available in a lot of small shops also for MRP, which is 179. Okay. So I actually told you guys, I will tell a small story, when it comes to this particular thing. Okay, so I don't know how many people actually knows that or remembers that. So this is actually the telephone with the ringer on, like it has a circular ringer. So whatever number you need to put in, you need to put a finger in that number and you need to circle it till that there is one stopping point. Okay, you need to circle it till that stopping point and you need to take your finger. It will retract back to that place. So you need to, if you are, see back then we don't have mobile phones, right? So you need to dial area code and then you need to dial the actual phone number. So say for example, if it is like 235 283, this was my landline number back then when I was a kid, but we never had this particular phone in at my home personally. That was a number, like button ones. So if you want to dial that specific number, you need to first dial the area code, like put the finger on, say for example, if the area code is 91, you need to put your finger in 9 first, roll it till that stopping point, take it out, so it retracts back to its place. Again, now you need to put your finger in 1, circle it to that end point, take it out. So once that is done, you need to do this till you finish all your numbers in your list. Once that is done, wait for a couple of seconds and then it will ring. So the story is like, my grandmother actually had this specific phone when we were kids. So this happened somewhere around 1998 or before that. So around that particular time. So I have a younger brother. So he was like, he was not ready to eat his meals. So my grandma was threatening him that she's going to call the police. So I have a cousin who is elder than me, 1 year elder than me. So what he did was, we usually go near the phone, just take the that earpiece, okay, earpiece and mouthpiece, that is one piece, right? So you should take that and put it in our ear, and we will just act like we are talking to the police. So he did something like that and kept the phone back, and then he came to us, and then my brother started eating afterwards. So we all thought, okay, so he is making fun like we normally do. So remember this, we were kids, I was doing like fourth grade or third grade around that time. So then within next 5 minutes we are getting a call back to that same number, the landline. So my grandmother picks, and there is someone on the other side, he's shouting at my grandmother, don't call this number unnecessarily, we will break your knees, something like that. So she started she got shocked and she was asking us what happened, what you guys did with this phone and everything. So then my cousin said that he acted like he is talking to police, but in reality he accidentally dialed 100. So it actually went, the call actually went to the police and they picked up, and he was actually telling the police, like my brother is not eating his meals, I think lunch or dinner, I don't remember now, that he is not eating his meal, so you come and get him. He actually said that to the police and kept the phone down. So this actually happened. So and then we got a call back. So by the time when I grew up, when I came to like sixth grade or so, we had a landline at home, but that actually had buttons. So that was the next evolution of those phones. So that's the reason I actually bought this. So you can see here there is some gimmick here. Let me unbox it. So if you don't want to hear this story, just skip to this. I mean, what is this one? Timestamp now, 4 minute and 45 seconds. Okay. it's really sad to see that most good shops are going into scalping nowadays. So this shop used to get me things for MRP back then, even though I didn't buy much from them. They used to get things for MRP. Now he openly told he's selling for 200. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So out of the box, the casting looks really cute, and again, it is a stroll down to the memory lane. So you can actually take this. This here, it looks like a spoiler, but this is like both receiver and the speaker or mic, you can say. Okay, so this part is fully metal. Okay, so the chassis is fully plastic, including the wheels here. These are plastic. This part here, the spoiler, let's say spoiler for now. I don't want to say the entire thing again and again. So the spoiler here, that is also plastic. The engine detailing here, that is also plastic. It's chromed out plastic. So you can see what I was talking about here. So it is showing, it is actually saying Fisher Price. Again, Fisher Price used to make this specific toys back then. So I never had it, but I actually saw this someplace long back when I was a kid and all. Okay, so you need to put your finger in each number. So it starts from like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It usually has some stopping point like a chromed out piece. So you need to get to that level. They didn't show it here because it's again a toy car. So I don't know if we can consider this as headlights, but it does have something here that looks really cute. It is not just blunt or anything. Okay, let's weigh this casting. Okay, 28 grams, not bad. Let's roll this. Oh, okay, it is doing this thing like it did, that feline lucky casting that had the hands like this. So this one actually has that. That is really nice. Okay, I really wish they did more of these things. There is one more, like the skull shaker in this end case. That actually shakes that guy. The head inside left and right. I didn't buy that because I don't want to get more and more fantasies. So I'm just getting only which either reminds me of something or something which I really like too much. So we like cat is something really which we all like at our home. So and this one personally I wanted this, so I bought it. Okay, so let's rate this casting. So again, it is a fantasy casting, so there is nothing to refer here. I'm not sure how we can rate fantasy casting, to be honest, but it has all the details it is supposed to have for the telephone. Okay, it has a receiver and mic as well, and our speaker, whatever it is. So it has the ringer here. So that's the entire thing. It has a wire. It is connecting. So you can't ask that here, right? So I don't know. I'm not going to rate this one because this is pure nostalgic piece of car here. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you like my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.